What if we could generate almost endless energy just by burning money? Sounds crazy, right? But what if the key to huge power source is already sitting in our wallets? It might not be as wild as it seems, and it could be closer to reality than we think. Let me explain. Every day, billions of dollars are spent to fuel our world. We pay for electricity, for gas, and for transportation. But what if instead of spending it, we could burn it to create energy? Imagine taking stacks of cash, throwing them into a furnace, and turning that into power. Could this be the solution to our energy problems? Today, money is made of paper, polymer, and metals, none of which are perfect fuel. But what if we could refine this process? When we burn things like paper or plastic, they release heat. That heat could be converted into electricity, just like how incinerators work, burning waste to create usable energy. Could we apply this idea to burning cash? Could our dollars actually fuel the future? Of course, there are serious risks, pollution, toxins, and the scale of it all. What if burning billions of dollars could power an entire city? Would we destroy our economy in the process? Here's the twist. Imagine burning cash to generate free energy. By destroying a portion of our money, we could unlock free supply of power. While it wouldn't last forever, it could give us the energy boost we need right now. But once that energy is produced, we don't stop there. Not only would we have energy, but we'd also be setting the stage for a new economy. With the burning of cash, we could transition to digital currency, like cryptocurrency, to ensure a stable economy moving forward. No more physical bills or coins. Instead, we would rely on a secure digital system to keep our financial system running smoothly. Could this be the future? It may sound unconventional, but if you find this idea intriguing, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more wild concepts.